Hello people, and today we're in Premier Inn in Oxford or on Botley. So I booked a double room, so should we take a look? Right, so as you can see we've got a double and we've also got a single there. Right, let's head straight for the bed, shall we? Nice firm pillows with pillow covers. Oh, these are zipped ones as well. So, and then let's have a look. Oh, and a mattress encasement and a mattress topper by the looks of it as well, which looks very clean. So, headboard. Looks a few stains there. And we got bedside lamp, a little bit dusty, and then you got bedside table there, and you got your plug socket there as well with USB and your light switches and your lamp. And then we've got this lovely picture on the wall there as well. And then on the other side you got this stool, a bedside table, and again the same with the plugs, plug and light switches and lamp. So, and then got additional bedding there. I presume that's for the single here. So yeah, and this is the window. Of course it can't be opened, but there you go. A bit could do with a good clean actually, but that's outside. But yeah, so right, you got your bin there, got this desk area, chair, just a bit free in there. Let's have a look at the kettle, shall we? Looks clean. And then you've got this as well, which I'm trying to figure out how to open it. This is going to be fun. Right, so that lifts up. Just in case any of you stay in a Premier Inn and not... Oh, raspberry tea as well there. So yeah, your coffees, milks, and also in this Premier Inn they've got downstairs in the reception where you could pick up extra as well without asking. So, and then you got your TV here. So let's take a look, see if this works okay. Yeah. So yeah, just turn it off now. Yeah. No. You see me turn that off, it don't want to turn off. I had to mute it a minute then. Right, so there's information for your heating and your air conditioning, which is here. So we'll turn it off because I could do a bit of cool air anyway as well, because it is a little bit cold, hot in here. Right, so, and you got this menu. That's for what's available downstairs in the restaurant. So you can take a look at the prices. And then of course information to take where you can have your mattress and all. So yeah, there's a QR code if you need it. And then you got drinks menu. So yeah, and double socket there, and you got this lamp here. Doesn't work. And the dust on that, look. What is it with some of these places? They just don't like dusting the little bits, do they? So put that in the bin. But yeah, so that don't work. And then that's sticky. Whatever it is, look. Just sticky. Ew. And then you got a bottle opener there. So let's take a look at you got this full length mirror. You got a drawer there. Excuse my stuff. And you got extra pillows there and coat hangers. So, and then you got a hairdryer. A light up mirror there. And coat hooks. And of course your key card holder. Right, let's have a look in this bathroom. So you've got a bath. You've got a shower, quite a wide shower there. And you've got the white tea and Neroli, Bayliss and Harding hair and body wash. Got your floor towel there, and your bath towel, and your hand towel there. And then let's have a look at this curtain. Yeah, all clean. Yeah. Then you got bin there. And your sink. I'm gonna just mix my fingers a minute because they've got sticky anyway. So yeah. And then you've got white tea and Neroli luxury hand wash there as well. And of course you got mirror. And your toilet. Let's have a look at the toilet, shall we? All clean. Yeah. And toilet roll, which reminds me so much that you're in a public toilet. So yeah, it's not quite home to home, is it? And then you got a hook there as well. So I paid £49 for a Sunday night here. So let me know in the comments what you think. So like I said, little bits that could be cleaned properly. But like I said, you know that table hasn't been cleared. This desk hasn't been wiped down properly because, like I said, that's sticky there. So, but yeah. So, I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.